rusty fuel tank restoration. So this is a 1969 bug. Been having trouble with some dirty fuel. If you want to check that video out, look at the cards above. And I'm pretty sure that it's coming from the fuel tank. So we're going to look at today restoring the inside using a kit, starting by taking the fuel tank out. It's only held in by a few bolts. Get the breather and the fuel filler off. I did drain it before removing it from the vehicle. Righto, so the kit that we're looking to use today is a kit by KBS Coatings. I've used it before on some motorbikes and it was a really good kit, so I'm happy to do it again with the Beetle. Righto, so when you use this kit, you need to remove anything that can get gummed up. Essentially what the kit does is put a coating on the inside of the tank, so if you've got anything in there that shouldn't be coated, it's going to get gummed up. Starting by cleaning out the tank using an Aqua clean, a marine Aqua clean that comes with the kit, and I threw a length of chain in there to shake it around and get off the the hard to get rust flakes and all that sort of stuff. Now here's an interesting point. On the left jar is the Aqua clean by itself, and I was fairly shocked to see on the right jar, after I've actually shaken the Aqua clean around the tank, this on the right jar is what came out of the tank direct. And it's probably not that big a surprise as to why I had to clean out jets and struggle to find the car running right, because that was what was in the tank. Rightio, so that's the clean Aqua clean, and here is what was in that fuel tank or gas tank. So you can see the rust particles, and just it looks like muddy creek water, to be honest. I'm surprised the car even ran, let alone as good as it did. That's what was going into the carby and carbies. Now that's what made it worse. I went to dual carbies and was cleaning them even worse. Righto, so once you put the Aqua clean in, you need to rinse the tank out a bit, a few times, get rid of all the residue. From there, I used a compressor just to run a bit of air through to assist the drying. It has to be fairly dry before you put the rust blast in. Now, I believe that what this does is, I think it etches inside, gives sort of the metal a bit of something to stick to when the kit goes in. You rinse it around a bit, shake it around, give it a good rinse out again, and then we go to the actual coating itself. So stir it, not shake it. KBS Coatings, and in she goes, undiluted. Once it's there, what you need to do is rotate it around so that it coats the whole interior of the inside of the tank. Now this is just an example. I had a bit left. I put it on a jar, and this is essentially what it will do inside the tank. So once you've put it in there, you can see that once you rotate it around, it sticks and it forms a coating on the inside, a clean coating, as opposed to the rust coating that was there prior. And it does fill like small pinholes and things like that too. One thing that you need to do is make sure that once you've done it, before it dries and sets, that you clean out any bolt holes and such, because once it sets pretty solid. Then it's a simple matter of just letting it drain any excess out, and we're all good to go. And with any hope, we've gotten rid of this. I don't want to see that anymore at all, and the car should run a lot better. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a great day, and if you like the video, please click like and possibly subscribe.